Come get ready with me for my big family vacation to Europe. We're going away for 3 weeks, 4 countries and 9 cities. And I'm traveling with my husband and 2 kids. It's going to be a lot, but in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly what I do to get ready for a trip like this. And all this preparation helps me get a smoother, stress-free vacation once I've taken off. For this trip, we're traveling carry-on only, and these are the carry-ons that everyone's gonna get. I have 4 people on this flight, so 2 adults and 2 kids, and each person gets a personal item and a carry-on. For my kids, I let them carry their own personal items. Yes, they're not sharing mine. They have these cute little backpacks that I can put in some dry snacks or some little toys, or I can let them pack whatever they want into these, and then I can put in their clothes and all of their toiletries and stuff into their carry-ons. For the adults, we are a little more intentional when it comes to our personal items. Instead of carrying a purse or something smaller, we're making use of these travel backpacks because these have a ton of space. They fit the size dimensions to pass for a personal item. And on this particular trip, we're actually having 2 legs. So we arrive in one part of Europe. After some time, we move to the other part. When we're going to the other part of our trip, we're not going with the carry-on items and all of that. We're going just with the travel backpack. So this works for us as well. Now that I have each person's carry-on and personal item to that side, it's time to bring out the outfits. One thing I do to make sure I don't forget anything when I'm packing for a trip is use my family travel packing checklist. Believe me, it's a game changer. Those last minute items, those forgetting to carry something, those thinking you already packed it but you didn't, all that is taken care of. Because guess what? Mom, Dad, you're going on vacation too. This process is supposed to be enjoyable and as stress-free as possible. I've done all the work to put this checklist together so that you don't have to. It's like a tiny reminder as well because I made sure to spell out all of the items that I usually need when I'm stepping away from my house. I've linked the exact checklist that I always use in the description box below, and you can use it too. It's totally free and will help you elevate your travel packing game and ensure that you have the most stress-free packing experience ever. I'm laying down each person's outfit on their side of the bed, and I make sure to lay out everything first before I start packing. That way I know exactly how much stuff I'm taking with me, and I'll know how best to put them into the boxes. It's just easier for me to organize my packing that way. Another thing I do is involve my kids in the packing process. Not only does it teach them how to organize their stuff and pack for trips, it also builds excitement about the trip we're about to go on. They get to choose their favorite outfits, pick a few toys or books, and even help with small decisions like what snacks to bring. It makes them feel more responsible and a part of the adventure instead of just coming along for the ride.
Second one in the box. Second one in the box.
Now that the kids are all packed up, it's time to pack for the adults. I'll be using this Amazon travel backpack, packing for my husband first and then packing for myself. So these are my compression cubes. I'm going to be putting the clothes first in the compression cubes and then in the backpack. This way it helps me make more efficient use of the space that I have. For my hair, I'm using these extensions I got off of Amazon. I'm going to link them in the description box of this video for anyone who's interested. I actually have all the items that I talk about in this video linked in my Amazon storefront. That's also in the description box of this video. So you can just go through and you'll see everything that I've used in this video. And just like that, my hair is done. Look at that. Just kidding. I wish it was that fast. This actually took several hours. Now it's time to go get my brows done. For my brows, I visited my brow tech to get henna brows. They typically last about 2 weeks, which is perfect for travel. I chose this option to cut down on my morning routine while I'm on vacation. I also have my nails done as well. When I get to my destination, I don't want to worry about spending so much time getting ready in the morning. I'll have more time to go out and just enjoy the destination. Now that we have the basics, it's time to actually get ready. Today is trip day, so I'm gonna put on my clothes, wear some makeup, and I'll show you the final look. Guess who forgot to film the final look? Yup, your girl did, but here's a photo of me at my destination. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know how you get ready for your trips in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.